everybody, it's This Esme here, and today I'm taking Casper to the beach because over here in the UK it's currently the winter, and usually when I take Casper on hacks across the bridle path it can get really muddy. So I love taking Casper to the beach in the winter because it's like riding in the world's largest sand school. But also I have checked the tides and today is the best day to go to the beach. Also, as you can see, it is very early in the morning because you've got to get there for the right time for the right tides. But anyway, let's go get Casper and get his tack in the van, and I'll see you at the beach.
Love that we'll never need to hide. Love will always rise above. Whatever comes, we will be just fine. If I am yours and you are mine, take my hand and let's fly away to another galaxy. Hold me close, I want to feel your love. Together we are free. Just be with me, just be with me, just be with me. Now we're one with the sun over our heads, and at night we'll be the stars. We can go any place that we want to, I don't care if that's too far. Take my hand and let's fly away to another galaxy. Hold me close, I want to feel your love. Together we are free. Just be with me, just be with me, just be with me.
Okay, so you would have just seen that I've just washed off Casper's legs to get all the salt water and the sand off so it doesn't irritate him. I've had a wash and now it's time to wash my tack because my tack as well is filthy. It's covered in sand and salt water, which is really bad for the leather, so let's get cleaning. So down here I have my water, sponge and saddle soap. Here's my saddle. Now I need to take off Casper's saddle pads so they don't get wet, and it's time to clean my saddle. Okay, so I've got my damp sponge and I'm just going to put a little bit of soap on to help get that salty water off. Time to clean. Something else you need to make sure you do when you clean your tack is to check all the stitching, because it can actually be really dangerous if the stitching becomes loose, especially here by the girth, because you do not want your saddle slipping off. Now my saddle is clean, I'm just going to put on some leather conditioner to make it nice, soft and supple. So now my saddle is now sparkling clean. It's time to go onto my girth, which is probably the worst out of all of my tack. Luckily it is a synthetic girth, so it isn't leather, so it doesn't get too damaged by the salt and sand. So I'm literally just going to plunge it in the water. Lastly, I've got Casper's bridle to clean. As you can see, it has got a little bit of sand on, but compared to the rest of my tack, it isn't too bad, obviously, because it's on Casper's head, so it was a bit higher up in the water. However, there was one point where he was sniffing some of the seawater, and it is a little bit dirty anyway, so time to give it a clean. I love it when they put their ears like one up, one down. So cute. And a little shake shake. Okay, so now my bridle is clean, it's time to go on to the last things, which are my boots. These are definitely the worst. I've saved the best till last. So it's time to try and get some of the sand off, because it looks like Casper's taken the whole beach back with him. Okay, so these boots are actually Casper's cross-country boots, and I tend to use them when I go to the beach, because when we go in the water, because they are designed for going in water jumps, because they have little holes that drain all the water out, so the boots don't become heavy when you ride in them. So any eventers out there, I'd recommend wearing cross-country boots when you go to the beach. But anyway, time to try and clean these as much as possible, because my goodness, they are so sandy. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you again for the FEI for having me over on their channel. Be sure to subscribe to their channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!